Let's talk about average. You think you know what it means? Well, it's not always so simple.
It seems easy, right? But grab the wrong average and you could totally misread the data.
See, different data tells different stories, so we need the right tools to understand them. Okay, let's start with the one we all learned in school, the simple mean. Yup, this is the classic add 'em up and divide method. It's all about finding that central point. For these numbers, the mean is 30. Straightforward, clean, and simple.
But what happens when your data gets repetitive? Like really repetitive?
Just adding everything up can be a real drag when the same numbers keep popping up. That's where the frequency mean comes in. It's a much smarter, faster way to handle this. You just multiply each value by how often it shows up, add those up, and divide. Done. All right, next up, what if you don't even have exact numbers, just ranges? So how in the world do you find an average when your data is all grouped up like this? We use the grouped mean. The trick is to just grab the midpoint of each range. You just multiply that midpoint by the frequency for each group. It's a really elegant solution. So what's the big takeaway? Frequency mean is for exact values. Grouped mean uses an estimate. All right, time to level up. Let's get into some pro tools for very specific jobs. We're going to look at 3 of them: weighted, combined, and a cool shortcut called step deviation. First up, the weighted mean. Think of your GPA. Some grades are just worth more than others, right? See that? The heavy weight on the score of 70 really pulls the whole average down. Next, the combined mean. This is your go-to when you need to merge 2 different groups. And finally, step deviation. It's basically a math hack that makes big, messy calculations way easier. Okay, so we've got all these different tools. The big question is, which one do you pick? This chart makes it simple. Each average is the perfect tool for a specific data puzzle. It all comes down to this. What kind of story is your data actually trying to tell you? So now you have the right tools. The real question is, what story is your average really telling?